So, recording is started or no? Recording is started. Okay, fine. So, what you guys suggest? You want me to solve the questions which you have shared yesterday, or you will practice? Tell me. Shall I solve those questions?
Maybe quickly you can tell if,
Oh, sure.
if it's okay for others.
Fine. I will tell quickly. Okay. These are the questions I have given, and start. Table. Here the question is to find topper in each subject. Okay, so if you will solve this question, you will think that many ways are there to solve it. Okay, but why I have given this question? So that you should practice it using union, all, minus, and ranked as like whatever I have taught yesterday. Okay, that's the purpose. I want you to solve this question. So is the question clear first of all?
Yes, have to
The
find,
question is clear.
yeah, in each subject we have to find a topper.
You have to find the overall topper. Yeah, you have to find the topper in each subject. Oh, topper in each subject. They're asking no.
Yes.
Okay, who is the topper in physics? Who is the topper in chemistry? Who is the topper in physics and chemistry? Two subjects are there. Okay, so first of all, you have to find the total marks scored by each student in each subject, right? That's the first thing you have to find. Sum of marks scored by each student in each subject from student table. Is group by, right? Group by name of the subject. So far we got that okay, in chemistry A has scored 850, physics A has scored 700, and B has scored in physics 700. Oh, they both are scored exactly same marks. That's a coincidence. Okay, so I need to change the number here. Top table student. I need to change the number. Make it 150. Okay, so this is the total marks scored by each student in each subject. Okay, now the question is to find topper in each subject. Now, if I will ask you who is the topper in physics, from this data, can you tell me who is the topper in physics? Am I audible?
A.
Mm, B.
A is the topper in physics.
B.
B.
B. B.
B, okay. And in chemistry,
A.
A is the topper in chemistry. Okay. So what you have done for each subject, you found you observe that who has scored the maximum marks, and then you have told that okay, B has scored maximum in physics 700, A has scored 600. Now there are many ways to solve this question. Okay, but 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 let's solve it using rank or density. That's what I want to show you here. Okay, and I will use CT expression test one as, and please stop me guys if you have any problem. I have this big complaint from this batch. You guys don't ask questions. So now select and keep it as total ones. name for us plan over by the total test start test. Okay. Did you understood anything from this query? Anyone who understood this?
Yes, I
Yep.
think. In
Try to explain like what you understood.
okay. In test one, we are uh, adding all the marks according to the subject.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me use your this test.
Yeah, first we got yeah,
This is the temporary to test
yeah,
one.
temporary table. Yeah.
Okay, and test it here. This is the temporary table test. Oh no. First of all, tell me in test one what I have done.
In test one, we are grouping by name and subject. Then we are adding marks according to the name and subject.
Correct. For each and every student and the subject, we got the total marks, right? So that's why you can see here, I have used
Yes.
the uh, sum of marks. Okay. So first of all, guys, is this very clear to everyone?
Yes, this one clear.
Is still yes
Yes.
or no clear? Okay, this is clear. You all understood what I am trying to achieve here. Okay, this is clear. Now this was my second query. Okay, this was my second query. Let me explain you what I have done here. Actually, from this, I am trying to show you the importance of CT expression as well. And this is what once your complexity will increase, you have to use multiple functions and the keywords together. See, after this, forget about that query. Okay, after this, my question is to find who is the topper in each and every subject. So here I asked you who is the topper in physics. You told me that 700B, correct? So after this, what I have to do? After this, I will give a ranking system. First of all, try to understand from manual perspective. Suppose this is the data. This is the data of chemistry, and let me take this as chemistry. And this is physics. I just copy pasted here, nothing I have done. After this, actually, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to give a ranking, okay, based on subject. For each and every subject, I'm trying to give a ranking here. That for chemistry, the one who has scored the highest marks give rank 1, and the second highest gives second rank. And then for the other partition of subject, that is physics, create again ranking. The one who has scored highest, give it 1, and the second highest 2. So this is what I want to achieve this column. I want to achieve this column. I want to give ranking on top of this. Is this clear? What I'm trying
Yes.
to do. Is this clear for you? I'm trying to give ranking here. Okay. Now to give ranking, here you see what I've written. Select name, comma, subject, comma, total mass. Still here, I think this is simple. So from this table, test one, temporary table, I have name, subject, and this I given alias as total marks. Okay. I've used that total marks. So I hope this is clear so far. Any questions so far? No
No.
question. Okay, then I have used rank over partition by subject, order by total marks descending. I hope if you have understood the yesterday class, you can understand from here. I am trying to find the rank partition by subject. I've shown you here no, that I want rank partition by subject. That's why in the query I have used the rank partition by subject and order by total marks descending. Why descending? Because I want the highest marks to be given the first rank. And then I'm giving the from test one. From this temporary table test one, I want this data. And then at the last, I'm getting data of this select star from test two. That's why when I will execute this, you will get the output of test one plus rank will be there. You see, the first three columns are nothing but the same output of test one, and then you are getting rank. In chemistry, 950 is again first rank, 850 second rank. In physics, 700 is the first rank, 600 is the second rank. Is this clear now? Anyone want to
Yes.
clear? Okay, fine. So now is this the answer or what we have to do here?
No, we select records which have rank 1.
Very good. Then on this, we will filter out the records. Your rank is one. And just write where rank is equal to one. That's all. What is our output? In chemistry, A is the topper. He has scored 950. In physics, B is the topper. He has scored 700. Hope this is clear, guys.
If we use, uh,
Tell me.
yeah, so if we can also use here in place of rank, dense rank also, no? It will work.
Yes, of course. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
You can use dense rank as well. That will also work here. Show you this.
But not
See,
row num. It will give
row
a wrong answer.
number is different. Row number is
Yeah.
totally no. Row number will also work here. Row number will also. I'll tell you why. I will tell you one trick here. Whenever you want the highest one, you can use rank, dense rank, row number. They all will give you the same number, same result. Let me show you this. But very good question you have asked. This kind of questions like it makes us class interactive and interesting as well. See, first of all, I'm showing you rank. Okay, partition by subject, order by marks, descending. First of all, let me show you that this will give you the same output. Let us okay. It's a arcade, dense rank. Okay. See, rank and dense rank, they both are giving the same output, right? Oh, let me delete this. You're getting the same output, rank and dense rank. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why? Because here you don't have duplicate. Okay, so when duplicate is there, then the rank and dense rank will give you different result. And moreover, whenever you want the first position, so even if you have duplicate, rank and dense rank will always give the same output. Okay, when you want the first position, it will always give the same output. Now you have asked that can I use row number as or not? Yes, you can use row number because again row number will also give you the same output. Partition by order by total marks. Same output you are getting. So in this case, you can use anyone whatever you want. And always, whenever you want the first rank, you can use anything. Rank, delta rank, or nothing. But if you want second, third, fourth, then you have to be very much alert. If you have duplicate data, don't go for rank, go for dense rank. Okay. Is it clear? Any question?
Yes, clear.
Okay, perfect. Good question. So similarly, guys, this topper in each semester, I think this is very similar to the first question. You can do this. Topper in each subject and semester, exactly same as first question. Just you want subject and semesters. Just what you have to do is in this query, you write subject and comma semester here. That's all. Get the output. So I will request you guys to try this. Okay, I've given you one example. From that you can try. Okay, hope you all will work on this. Any question which you have tried and you want me to answer, please tell me. Which you want me to solve. No? So please work on this. Okay, and we will discuss.
Yes.
Uh, coming to your agenda, rank and sign row number I have done yesterday. Now these things are pending, subquery independent, duplicate query. Lead lag. Lead lag is very important. Yesterday, one of my connection in LinkedIn here asked a question based on lead and lag. Okay, I will tell you lead and lag first. Then. I think someone is facing problem in joining. Okay. Lead and lag. So we are having an example of lead and lag. This example is there. Lead lag is there. This is again typical activity. Yeah, example is there. Forget about this. Guys, I'm repeating, practice is very important. Please work on the assignments. Okay, then only we understand how to use the keywords and the functions. The real okay. So this is your sprint table. Okay. And please try to understand this lead and lag. Nowadays in interviews, the interviewers are asking questions based on lead and lag. ID, comma, name, comma, semester, comma, just comma. First of all, just try to understand what is lead and what is lag. And then I will show you from a question, the example of that, and that will be more clear to you. Okay, so first of all, just try to understand what lead can do and what lag can. If you understand lead, lag is exactly opposite of. Okay. So I'm writing here lead marks comma 1 over order by lead. Concentrate on the output and tell me this is the new column lead. Okay. Can you tell me what is happening here in this column? Can you tell me what I have done using this lead here?
We are getting consecutive number, means one step ahead.
One step ahead. See, it is like this 150 shifted to here, 450 shifted to one place ahead, 200 shifted to here, 250 shifted to here, 50 shifted to here, 150 shifted to here. Right? We are shifting it. Correct? Similarly, this 150, we are shifting this. Is this clear? So I've given lead marks comma 1. It means I'm telling shift it by one place. So it is shifted by one place. If you'll give lead marks comma 2, so it will shift by two place. Let me show you that. Okay, so now if you see in lead 1 and lead 2, what is the difference? In lead 1 column, this marks has been shifted by one place, right? 450 shifted to one place ahead or above. But in lead 2, it is shifted to two places. You see 450 is shifted to two places and it came here. Similarly, 200 shifted to two places and it came here, right? 250 shifted to two places and it came here. So lead function is when you want to shift some data. Now, why you want to shift data, that we'll discuss. Okay, that I will show you some examples. That will be clear. But this is the use of lead or lag function. You can shift it. Okay. So syntax, I've written lead marks comma one. Comma one means I want to shift it by one place above. Order by name. Order by name I've written. So why order by name? So you see all the name are in order. All the A are in one group and then all the B are another group. Suppose you want that, no, I want to shift by order by marks. So instead of name, you can write order by marks. So now you see, first of all, the marks are ordered. Please check. Marks are ordered, no? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 250, 300. Marks are ordered. After that, it will shift it. Lead one means shift by one place. So this arrow is shifted to one place. This arrow is shifted to one place. 150 shifted to one place. Lead two means shift by two places. So it is shifted by two places. Up, right? Is this clear? Any question?
Can we write lead without over clause? Why order by is
That you have
required
to write.
in?
That you have to. This is syntax. You have to write it. This is syntax. In all the window functions, you have to use over. Okay. If you want that, then I want to give partition. Yes, you can give partition. So I want to give partition by name and partition by name. I give partition by name here as well. Now you see it. Again, partition by name. So first of all, it will make partition of name. You see, A is one partition, right? All the A are in one partition. All the B are in second partition. Now in this partition, then order by marks. Now you see in A, all the marks in ascending order, right? And then it is shifted by one place in lead one, two place by lead. So lead is just when you want to shift the data to one place above to the current position. And of course, you can use partition by, order by, whatever you want. You can use that. Is this clear?
I have one query
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
that inside over clause, this partition by and order by is a mandatory to write, or there is some
Yeah,
optional?
it's mandatory. It's mandatory. If you will remove that, it will throw error message.
Okay.
It will throw error message. Let me show you that. This will throw error. See, missing order by expression in the window specification. Okay, so that's why within this you have to pass the line. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay, first of all, any question here?
So
Now,
is order by compulsory but partition by is not?
partition by is not compulsory. You can remove this. Oh, that's correct. Okay. Now let's try to understand the use case of this, right? Let me show you a use case. This is more, more easy to understand. So this is our student table. Let me pop. In LinkedIn post, you will see many questions I solve using lead and lag only. So this is very useful. Okay, now suppose here the question is, let me sort this, then it will be easy for you to understand. Sort. Name, name. Person, story, semester, I think, whatever, semester. Fine. See, now here, suppose the question is, um, tell me the student, tell me the student and the semester name. Tell me the student name and the semester name in which the marks obtained in physics is same as marks obtained in chemistry. Is the question clear? Question is, tell me the student name and the semester name in which the marks obtained in physics is same as the marks obtained in chemistry. Is the question clear first of all?
Yeah, clear. For
Yeah.
me, it's clear.
Okay, so from this data, can you tell me that the student and the semester in which the marks obtained in physics is same as chemistry?
B.
B, which
B.
semester?
One. Semester one.
B, semester one. Okay, yeah, this is correct. One data. Any other?
No.
Do you have any record in A?
No. Oh yeah.
Mm,
Yeah.
Correct.
Correct.
So the question is to find the student name and the semester name so that in that particular semester the marks obtained in physics and chemistry is same. This is the question. Okay. Now, of course, many ways are there. You can do using joins. You can do using many other ways. But you can do this using blank. But I want to show you how you can do this using lead and lag. Okay. So first of all, I'm repeating: is the question clear? Then I'll proceed with the answer.
yes.
You all understood? Okay. So for the time being, forget about SQL query. Okay. Suppose we don't know the SQL and try to solve this using some manual technique. How we can do this? Suppose I asked this question, then Roja told that yeah, then this is the answer. So she has done some processing in her mind, right? And then she put this is the answer. Then I told that yeah, this is the answer, and this is correct. So I've done some processing in my mind. So how we have done that processing? Let's apply an algorithm here. So first of all, what I have done, I have kept this name and name and all these columns. Okay. Then I've taken this. Then what I have done, suppose if I will shift this one place up, this 50 will come here. I will shift this by one place. So this 50 will come here. Is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
You see this particular record, guys. Only consider it on this record. Student A first semester, because we have to see semester wise. No? That's why I've taken partition by semester here. So one physics 100 is there, and I'm shifting this chemistry 50 to one place up. This will look like this, right? Now, if I will compare this two, if it is same, so I will tell that yeah, mass code in physics is same as chemistry. Can I tell that? Is this clear? My
Yes.
algorithm, what I'm planning.
Yes.
What I'm planning is I want to shift this by one place up. So this will come here. And then I
Wow.
will compare this two. If they are equal, it means the mass code in physics and chemistry, they both are same. But here it is not same. So it means 100 is not equal to 50. So it means mass code in physics and chemistry is not same. So that's what I'm planning to shift this by one position. Okay. Let me show you this. So always in SQL, first of all, make some analysis. Manual that okay, how I can do this. Okay. So here I want to lead the marks by one position, right? Over. Now tell me based on which partition you want to shift. Partition by what you want to give here.
Partition by
Nice.
student and semester.
Yeah,
Name
student
and
name and
semester.
name and
Very good.
semester.
And order by subject
Marks.
you can give. Better give subject
Yeah. Okay.
because you want physics and then chemistry like that, right? From the student and mark it as lead. See, in the beginning, I know this will be a little bit tough. Missing expression. What mistake I have done, guys? Can you think? Expression. Okay, this is the result I got. Let first of all compare this. This is the result set I got. Okay, this is the result set. I need to do one thing. Let me delete this one. Okay, so now this is your column. Now concentrate on this record only, and please verify that what I was trying to explain you here, have we achieved that or not here?
No.
Please look into this.
No.
No, no, we have not achieved. Tell me yes or no. We have achieved or
No.
not.
No. No.
Okay, good, good, very good. Why? Where is the problem? Where is the mistake?
We need to compare the marks.
Okay,
And
very good. To compare the marks. Which two marks you want to compare?
The physics and chemistry. We are comparing.
Physics and chemistry. Okay.
Yeah.
If I will tell you that compare physics with chemistry, or I will tell you compare chemistry with physics, they both are same or different?
Same.
Same. Now again, look at this data carefully and tell me that what we have planned has been achieved or not.
Yes. We want to compare both the subjects, right? So we are
Correct.
comparing. Yeah. So we achieved that.
If you see this record, so this is telling you chemistry, physics, maths, he has scored. And then physics, he has scored 100 marks. Now I have shifted 100 to here, right?
Yes.
100 I have shifted to here. So now you can compare this two.
Yes.
If they are same, It
No,
means
they
no,
are
no.
not
I'm
same.
telling if they are same, so we
Okay.
can tell that yeah, A has a score in first semester. The marks in physics is same as chemistry. Correct.
Yes.
Now take the second record. Concentrate here. What about this? Have we achieved what we have planned? Chemistry 250, then physics. I move this 150 to here, and then I will compare this to. Is the algorithm clear? What logic I'm planning to implement?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone, is it clear? Or tell me if you want me to repeat.
Repeat.
Yeah, sure. See, this was the original data, right? We have seen this is the original data. Now the question is to find those students who have scored same marks in physics and chemistry in a particular semester. First of all, question is clear to everyone, right? Question is clear, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, so what we understood that we have to compare the marks scored in physics with marks scored in chemistry for each student and each semester. Correct. So if I will take this example, this example. So here I have to compare the marks of physics with the marks of chemistry. Correct. So it means I have to compare this 100 with this 50. Is it clear, guys? I have to compare this 100 with this 50. First of all, is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now there is a problem in SQL. SQL cannot compare two rows directly. Okay, you cannot compare two rows directly. So I thought that if I will move this 50 to this position, then I can compare this 150, right? So that's what I have done here. Here in this data, the first record is chemistry 50. I have moved this 100 to here. And now I can compare if these two are same or not. This is the
Yes.
logic I'm planning. Now is it clear?
Yes.
Others, is it clear?
Yes.
Shall I repeat again? Shall I repeat, guys?
Clear. Clear.
Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So that's why I have shifted this 100 to this position. In the second block of data, name A second semester, I have shifted this 150 to this position so that I can compare this two number. This is the marks in chemistry and this is the marks in physics. Okay. So if you see each and every record, see the last record. B, fourth semester. In chemistry, he has scored 300. In physics, he has scored 200. I have moved this 200 to here. Then I can compare this 300 and 200. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now after this, what I have to do? Tell me.
We
Till
have
here,
to
I have told you the logic.
Yeah. Now we have to compare these two columns.
Compare. So I will add from marks minus lead.
Lead.
I will do this operation. Marks minus lead. So here this will be minus 50. Correct, no? 100 minus null or 0 something value will come here. So the important thing is if you see this data, concentrate on this data. So here the marks is same. This difference will be 0. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So let me do that. This is the one I have done here. Okay, now let me keep this in one temporary table. Then after this, I will write that I want the difference, right? From from which table? From which table, guys?
From test one.
Yes.
Test one. Very good. Okay, you got the difference? Last column.
Yes.
After this, what I have to do?
So uh, where it is zero, we have to take the records.
Very good. So the high condition where
Lead marks is equal to zero.
lead minus marks is equal to zero. I want those records. Why Ruja you told that it is zero? I want those records. What is the reason?
Because the if the both subjects have the same marks, then it will be zero, right?
Very very good.
So
Oh,
we
this
are
is
finding the yeah both subjects same
correct.
mark.
Correct. Correct. You got the answer. In third semester chemistry has scored same marks. Physics. Right. Hope is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone who wants me to repeat this? Anyone who wants me to repeat this?
We can equate it as well, right? Lead equals to marks.
Sorry. Can you repeat?
We can equate is the condition, right? Uh,
Ah,
to-
that's what I've done. I've equated this equal to zero. So lead minus marks equal to zero only when the marks in physics and chemistry will be same.
yeah.
Shall I repeat this?
For me, it's okay. Uh,
Find it. Now here the question was that I want that name and semester only. I don't want all this information. Then you can remove all this from the slip clause. Okay. You can remove if you want. You can remove all these things from the slip clause. And remove all these things. Let's execute this one. So you got that A in third semester has scored same marks in physics and chemistry. B in first semester has scored same marks in physics and chemistry. So from this example, I have tried to explain you or show you the beauty of lead keyword lead function. Hope this is clear.
It's clear, Tanvik. But I have one doubt. When we are using this rank, dense rank, we have to give column names, right? We cannot give star.
No. You can use the star as well. You can use the star.
Oh,
That's not a problem. You can use the star. Okay. Is this clear? Any question? I'm repeating. Please ask.
Uh, Clear.
Clear. Okay. Good.
yeah.
Now, yeah. You're asking.
No. When you are explaining, it feels like everything is clear. But when we are looking into the
Yeah.
assignment,
When you
the
will
confusion
practice,
start. Yeah.
no issues. So that will happen. And intentionally, in assignment, I'm giving some easy questions, some tough questions.
Yeah, but need to do more practice.
Practice, yeah. Practice is the key. Make it a habit. Do some 5 questions on a daily basis. Okay. Even nowadays, no, like I I work. I used to solve like LinkedIn. You see that I used to post the solution and all those things. Why? Because I'm also learning from that. And I'm going to see some question. I will try to work on that. So that's the thing. You should keep on doing the practice. Very important. Okay, so now you have a concept of lag. Okay. And this is just plain dictionary meaning lead. Lead means you are leading, right? That's what I have shown you here. It is leading the value, right? It is leading, no? That is why lead. See, it is at second position. Now it came to first position. So he is leading. Correct. That's why the name is lead. Now if I will tell you lag, so apply your common sense and tell me what will happen in that case.
It will take the first position to second one, means
Very
comparing the
good.
first one.
Perfect. So if I will tell lag, so this 50 will come here. Correct. 100 will come at the from second to third position. Correct. So this is lag. That's all. SQL is very easy. After lead, you have lag, just opposite of that. Let me show you example. Lag 1. This is your lag 2. Now you guys verify this. I will not tell anything. Please verify this and tell me. Are you convinced with the output? Forget about lag 2. Concentrate on lag 1. Let me hide this. I'll tell you forget about lag 2. You will concentrate on lag 2 there. The human tendency. If you something that don't do this, we'll do that. Okay. Now who will explain me this lag 1? Yeah. Come on.
You are asking about the lag function, how it's
Lag. Yeah, yeah. And on this data, tell me about this data. It's 50. Why this 50 is here?
because it will going to take one step backward. Suppose you
Yeah.
say in the first column that is 50 is there, so before 50 there is nothing, so it was blank in the lag one,
Okay.
and
So
before
that's why it
100
is.
it's 50.
Yeah, it is shifted to the
Yeah,
means next position. So 50, it came to the second position. They shifted downwards. So it is getting shifted downwards, right? And in lead, it was shifting to upwards. Is this clear?
Yes.
Exactly same as lead. Okay. Now, if this is clear, this question which we have done right now, which we have solved right now, this question, can we solve this using lag?
Yes, can.
Yes, we can solve using lag. In that case, what we'll do, we will shift this 50 to here, right? And then
Yeah.
we'll compare this to. So this is an assignment. Try to work that on with the help of lag. So guys, this was all about lead and lag. What I taught you is just 2%. 98% will come after practice. It is my responsibility to show you the path. You have to work on that. Before I move to the next topic, any question on this lead and lag? No questions.
This lead and lag only used for the comparison of records only, right?
Yeah, yeah. When we want to compare, no, use this lead and lag function. Then you have, then which one should I tell you? I want to clear this ready-made functions and then I will go to this correlated query. This is a little bit complicated. So I want to finish it off this ready-made functions. Let me check if I have some example of all of that is there. And all of is there, but ID name is there. Which way I think I need to create that. It's not there. Let me take this example. Guys, I will tell each one of you to get very strong hold of SQL. Nowadays, market is like anything for SQL experts, so you can get some good opportunity. Practice the questions. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so this is our employee table, and you can understand the return AD name, department salary. Okay. I want to explain you what is a roll up here. Salary. Into this one. I know you will get confused here. Ask question. Not a group by expression. I missed a syntax. Just correct. Oh, okay. That's the story. I'm giving you 20 seconds time. Look at this data and tell me what you observed here. Come on, tell me what this data set is trying to tell.
It giving individual marks and sum at the end, sum of marks.
Very good.
Sorry, salary.
Yeah. So here you can see that the salary of each and every employee, and at the same time the total salary you are giving to all the employees. Okay. And this is possible with the help of this roll-up. Roll-up means like when you will eat that what I can say that veg roll and chicken roll and some other roll, how they will do, they will add all the things and finally they will roll up. It is exactly same as that. They are showing all the things and finally they will roll up from here. They will roll like this. They will tell you that this is the final number. Now you can ask a question that fine, you are showing all those things, the total value. So why roll up? I can I can do this with the help of this function as well. We have taught earlier of salary or employee. Yeah, just run this one. Simple sum. Why you are showing roll up? Same answer, no? Why you are showing
Yes.
roll up?
But when we want to individual salaries also.
Okay, so in that case, I will use this one. I'll write name from a salary, and I will write blue file name. Let me show you this. I got the salary efficient employee.
But here we are missing the complete all salaries.
Correct. Correct. So now I
When
think
we
you guys
want both,
understood the
yeah,
yeah. So now you understood the power of roll up. You can
yes.
see the individual salary and the total salary as well.
If we
Okay.
give department, then it will give two numbers.
We give department. I will come to the department. I will come to that. But
Okay.
is it clear? Is it clear so
Yes.
far?
Yes.
Others, is it clear, guys?
No, I did not
Please repeat.
understand.
Not clear. Not clear. Yes or
No,
no?
no, did not understand.
Not understood. Okay. See, I'm trying to show you the use of this rollup. Okay, what this rollup will do. So I am running this. Okay. Uh, so here what you can see, here you can see salary of each and every employee, right? And then at the last is 5400. What is this value?
Sum of all salary.
Sum of all salary. Sum of all the salary. So that is the benefit of this roll up. Guys, give me 1 minute. So, 1 minute only, okay. Come back. Okay, sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. So is it clear now? So here this roll-up will tell you the salary of each and every employee and the total salary. Is this clear? Guys, please tell yes, no,
Yes,
false.
kind of.
You all are, I'm in fasting and you all are low in energy. Okay. So this will give you total salary as well. So is it clear? So this is the
Yes.
benefit of roll up. Yeah. And this helps in data analysis when you want to analyze something, that each and every employee, how much is the salary, total how much you're giving. Like if you're working on investment banking, so what is the fund performance? If you want to see each and every fund value and what is the total fund value, then from this you can compare that which fund is performing well, which is not performing well. Similarly, if you are giving fees to your fund manager, portfolio manager, or if you're working in healthcare department, you can see the different KPIs and you can compare how it is performing. Okay. And then I think Roja has asked about the department, right? So in this, suppose I want to see only department. I'll keep the department here, and I will keep the department. Now see HR total is 1800. If you add all the HR, no, you see HR 100 plus 600, 700, 700 plus 600, 1300, 1300 plus 500, 1800. So in HR, you are giving total 1800 salary. Sales, you are giving total 1900 salary. In tech department, we are giving total 1700 salary. And in total, you're giving 5400 salary. So this is the benefit of roll-up. This will help you to do the analysis. Okay. Now, if the question is that Tanvir, I want a combination of this name and department, you can write like this: name comma department, and again here name comma, okay, and then see for each and every name and department will show first of all A HR, it is 100, and then total A 100, B HR 600, C HR 600, D HR 600, E takes 200, okay, and 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, I have taken the different implies in each and every department. That's what is coming like this. Okay. Okay, so it did not work here in this case. This one. See this one. This is the good example. This is what I want to show you. Here it will show you that employee H is working in both the departments, tech and sales. Okay. So H in tech is earning 300. H in sales is earning 300. So it will give you that H, how much total he is earning. He is earning total 600. So when I have given name comma department, so first of all, it will give me for each and every department how much he is earning, and total how much he is earning in both the departments. This is the example which I thought of showing. So this is roll up. It will give you more more detailed information about data. Any question, guys?
No.
Others,
No.
you all understood this? This helps you for analysis. Yeah, but of course, if you're not working in some analysis project, now this is not used much. Very rarely this is used, but you should know, okay, because they never know when you will come across this question and you have to use that. So you should know this benefit of God. Any question? Final call on this
No,
call.
then.
No, no question. Okay.
No.
This on this call. And which one shall I tell you? Which one? Which one? Which one? Entile. Let me explain you entile. Row num is very boring, but I will tell you. Let me explain entile. Now, since yesterday, what all things we are studying, these all are like window functions, analytic functions. This is used when you're doing some analysis on data. And let me explain this one. We have a different table. Entile will divide the data actually. Then you have millions of records, okay, and you want to do analysis of some particular record only, then you can use entile. Let me explain you. Entile 4, keep it entile 2. This is entile. You guys look at the result set and tell me why it is 1 1 1 1 1 till here. Then after this, why it is 2 2 2 2 2. Reasoning question. Tell me. This is not SQL question. This is reasoning question.
Data set.
Yeah, sorry.
Data set is divided in two parts.
Very good. Very good. Data set is divided in two parts. Very good. Why? Because I mentioned here entile 2. So that's why it is divided in two parts. Now, how divided in two parts? Because we have mentioned here order by marks descending. Please make a note of this. Order by marks descending. First of all, you see all the marks is in descending order. Correct? All the marks in descending order. After that, it will split this entire data set in two equal half. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 8 records. They are given this as a 1. Next 8 records, they are given as 2. So this is used when you want to divide the entire data set. Now, why you want to divide it? Because many times you are working on millions of records, okay? And you don't want to do analysis on all the records. You are working on some pilot project. So you want to do analysis on some selected records only. So what you will do, you will divide the entire data set, and then from that you will fetch the data. Suppose here I have written here entile this. Okay. Then at the last I will write here. Suppose this is entile. So from here, what I will do, I will write selected start from subquery I'm using this internal data where entile is equal to 1. I will get only those records which are highlighted 1 there.
Here.
See, only 1 record is there. So through this, we can divide the results in multiple segments. Okay. Now, suppose we want entile 3. So it will be divided in 3 parts. Now, look at the output. divided into 1 and then 2, 3 parts. So we are divided the entire data set in 3 parts. Similarly, if you want to divide it in 4 parts, so you can do this 4. So again, this is used when you are doing some analysis, working on data analyst role, and you want to do some analysis on some small set of data. So you can divide the data. Now 4 is divided in 4 parts. Very simple, that's all. So this will not do anything. This will just divide the entire data in 4 parts, 3 parts, or whatever you want. Any question?
No.
Any question, guys?
No.
Okay, fine then. So okay, I will stop here today. Okay, because based on this, many questions will be there, many assignments I will give you today. But please work on the assignments. Okay, work on the assignments, and then these all are simple. Till here it is simple. This is also simple. This is almost done. Next class I'll finish this part. And then I will teach you correlated query. This is also very powerful concept. It's not take much time. Okay then. So guys, we will connect the next class. Okay. I'll give you a few more assignments today, but work on that. Then only that will be useful. Okay. So final call. Any questions?
No.
No.
Thank you then. Take care. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.